Dismounted dismounted dito dismounted Oy, gago, come north. Kairos, come north. Dismount kayo guys, dismount nyo to. Dismount kayo. Ito yung color D-tanks pakidikitan nga yung Heron para di makapag-set.
Wait lang, bagal lang.
Get ready. 5, 4, uy gago na delete. 3, 2, 1, everything here. Nice, good shit. Loot up, tang ina nyo mga tanga. Goods pa. 10 seconds, next engage ko. 10 seconds. Ingat one healer tayo. One healer kayo. Ingat. By John Lloyd Cruz. Ready? Okay. 5. Northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These two. Nice one. More damage, please. Kill him, and then spread. Spread. You got one healer, boys. Loot it. 10 seconds, boys. 10 seconds. Actually, get ready for my next engage. Next engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on this healer. Healer. Kill this healer. Nice. Good shit. Run them over. Puki ng ina nyo, mga tanga. Mga bobo. Ngayon, tuwing makakasalubong nyo yung manifest, di na kayo magdi-dismount, mga putang ina nyo. Patay niya, tol. Isa pa. Ready your E. Wait for my E in 5, 4, 3. Wala na.